Ken from smartforexeducation.com, weekly review starting the 27th of May 2013. Gold chart. So what we can see here, this is a daily time frame of the gold chart. After the strong, huge sell-off that occurred towards early April, we saw a nice short rally, short covering occurring, where the market bounced back up to a 40% level of Fibonacci retracement we had set. This really was a strong catalyst for the sellers to get back in control of the market for continued push back down to the target of the uptrend line support and also the previous low. We've stated over the last few sessions that the market now had tested this low, found some buyers for net long positions, fund managers, pension funds, retail and also pit traders, for push back higher. Not to a push whereby we're going to see an initial break above this previous high, but push whereby the market will just try and trade in a very, very tight consolidation range for the next few days. We heard some news last week that Ben Bernanke, Federal Reserve, stated that they will look at tapering and reducing some of the mortgage-backed securities. So we might see some form of optimism, a little bit more demand in gold, because we're also seeing a slight bit of a topping tail for the US, the indexes and the main Dow Jones and S&P 500 markets really push the upside. So we may start to see some traders taking some money off the table in the US indexes and starting to put a little bit of money in the safe haven. We're not seeing it at the moment, but what I've actually done is drawn in a daily time frame resistance and also an uptrend line support. And generally what would happen, this market will basically try and trade in this tight range until we see a breach in either direction. So over the next few days, just look out for the market to try and trade from the 1416 highs down to potentially the 1339 if it can get through this type of tight flag formation pattern that we have here building up. So in the meantime, just be aware that we're not going to really get any huge strong movements either direction until we have some prominent fundamental news that will come out. So until then, just keep a lookout, and I'll speak to you soon.